All right. So this video is to show how to convert a floor plan over into a foundation plan. We'd have gone through it in class, but I'm going to do it in AutoCAD so you can see the different commands that we use, and I can pause the video, rewind it, whatever you need to do, and practice on your own time. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. All right, there's some more screen sharing pause. Let me just see if we can fix that quick. All right, so everything should have up now. All right, yes, so here we have a floor plan, right? Similar to the one that we did in class. Well, the same one we do in class. Right? So all you do is that you would move this thing out of the way so you don't bother me. All right, so you copy it. But chances are though, in the exam, you will just get the floor plan and a hard copy piece of paper. So you just look after it and do the drawing and do the measurements. Right? So right, as I said in class, so delete all of these, delete all of the dimensions, delete. Delete all the dimensions. Next up, delete all doors, all windows, and all openings, right? We're going to close off all of the walls. All right. So this can delete because this is just a concrete area on the outside of the house. So that now going to show up in the foundation. So you can delete that. Can delete the room names as well. Delete the room names. So now, this is where we're going to use the join command. J enter. I can type an entire word. Let's select two lines, press J, enter. Cause them to join and become one line. So once you do it one time, you can just press space bar all the other times. Space bar. Space bar. Space bar. All right, putting back a line here. Close off the back door. And for here now, I'm going to use the chamfer command, seeing that it's at 90 degrees. The lines are on a 90-degree path, right? Chamfer space bar to repeat the command, and then all these you can join. J enter, right? So here we have all of the walls closed out, right? Quick and easy. And then you would make a layer. You would make a layer. All right, so let me just offset it first and then change it over into the layer. All right, better yet, let me just make a layer for it. So L enter, or LA enter rather. LA enter. And we're gonna make a layer called foundation trench. So new layer. A foundation. Let's put FOUND full stop pressure on it, right? I'm gonna change my color to green. I'm gonna change it from continuous line to hidden line. Right, hidden. Press OK. And the line weight can stay the same. All right, next step, we're gonna join all the external, the lines, all the outermost lines, right? The line that runs along the perimeter or the border of the building. You're gonna highlight all of those lines, right? And you're basically gonna turn these lines into a polyline, one continuous line. And for that, you simply press J, enter, join. You click it, see everything is highlighted, turns it into a one continuous line. And then you're gonna offset that. Offset it for, no, sorry, you're gonna offset it 150, right? You're gonna offset it 150 on the outside, 150. Let's select that line. I'm gonna place it in the layer that I created, which was foundation trench. You're gonna select your offset command. It's already on 150, so just press enter. I'm gonna offset all of the inner lines. Inner lines inside the rooms. This part can sometimes be a little bit confusing with the bag of multiple lines, so you have to try to pay attention, because sometimes it might look like you offset a line, but you really never offset it. And when you start trim up now, you're gonna say you're missing a line. Yeah, so it's supposed to have 4 lines. When you're done, it's supposed to have 4 lines. Not 3, not 2, but 4. Just offsetting all of them, 150, 150. This is our 4. All right, great. So now, use the chamfer command, and then you start with the lines to trim off the excess. The zoom in so you can see it. I click the lines, trim off all the waste. Right? Just press space bar and just click all of the lines going around. Come on. All right, so me I talk about the miss off the line, never offset the line. So you have to just pay attention. Although when it comes down to the trimming up part, you're gonna know which line you miss. You miss. All right, back to chamfer again. All right, so now we're gonna highlight all the lines that we offset, and we're gonna change them over into the foundation trench. As we say, folks, watching the video and observing what I'm doing is one thing, but practicing it on your own is another thing. Don't just watch a video and go into the test. Ensure what you see me doing now, try to practice it. Right? Practice it. Either try. Take a whole floor plan from grade 10 or some. Or just make a little, just drop a little floor plan. Right? And then practice with do the offsets and everything. So as I've selected all of my lines, so now I'm gonna change it over into the foundation change layer. Right. All right, so step 2 now, I'm gonna make the stiffeners. I gave the measurement for the stiffeners in class. Right. So you check what on those. So basically, there's no specific way to draw it. You just want to know, say, you get the correct results. I think a few of my object snaps are off. Perpendicular. That should be it. So you can just draw a line. Right? Just draw two lines in the corner and you can move them. Right? So let me just draw two lines in the corner and just move it. Select move. It says specify base point or displacement in the command bar. I'm gonna type 150. Oh wait, my bad. Let me do that again. Select it, press move, click the line first, and then you move your cursor to the direction that you want it to go. You type in 150 and it stays. Right? So it's basically offset is when you want to move a single line, but you can actually offset entire objects, whether lines or entire objects, by using a combination of the move command and a measurement, or a combination of a copy command and a measurement. Right? So you select the line, press move, click the line again, move a cursor to the direction that you want it to go, type in distance, and will move it in that direction to that distance. Like this now, can mirror it over to the other corner. I'm gonna copy this, copy, select it from the corner here, and I paste it right at the exact same spot at the corner. Right? When you're copying or moving an object, always consider where you're copying it from or moving it from, and where you're moving it to. That's going to determine where on the object you select it. Right? Because just quickly, if I'm copying these two lines, right? Press copy. And I click any random place, just click any random place and try to copy it. Right? Or am I going to paste it exactly where I need to go? There's no reference point. But when I click it in the corner, just copy, and I click it here in the corner, I can just find another corner that is similar to it, and I can paste it there. Right? I'm gonna mirror this one. Mirror. This row up to the top here. Can mirror this again too. Yeah, there's anything to make the work easier. I go quicker. Copy. Select it at the corner. Paste it at the corner. All right, now for a T-shaped stiffener. Draw your lines across. I do the same. Move. Type in a distance 150. All right. Serious, yeah, stiff now. Copy it. Copy it from the corner here, so remember the same corner spot. Paste. Right? All right, so based on the fact that there is a bathroom here, but based on the distance, one T stiffener can still go here. So. But if the doorway was right against the wall here, so then it was only a L stiffener could have got here. So let's put it in our T stiff. All right, let me mirror this first. Mirror this first. I come and mirror it now. Can copy it. All right, so as we said in class, you don't want to put a stiffener in every single corner. Just distribute it enough so that the building is strengthened. All right, let me copy this in the other part of it. Copy. All right. We can mirror this. All right, I also want to put a stiffener in the middle of this wall. Why? As you said in class, if you have a straight wall running in the building, if it is 20 feet or more, you have to have a stiffener. Can copy, or I can offset anyone. All right, 75 on each side. So add up that to the oh my bad, and 75 on each side. It's supposed to be 150 on each side. And foot stiffener them supposed to be 300. 150. 150. All right. And now let us hatch it using the solid hatch. So you're going to hatch. Click solid. And you're just gonna click within the boundaries of the stiffness. All right, those are stiffness. To annotate it, right? Quick and easy. Should be 600. Use Use 1200. I'm not try 600. I just want it, you want it to be a reasonable distance away from the join. 600. And nobody. And then using the continue, dim continue, which is the continue dimension, just to make you pick up from where you left off. All you have to do is just pick the points going around, which is the trench width. Trench width. Okay. And don't worry too much about the time that you have to do it. We will mark it based on how well you have done whatever portion that you have done as best as possible. Unless you really never do none at all. But if we see you have the trench width done properly and the stiffness placed at proper placing, if time is up and you don't get to dimension it, it will still be lenient, right? And then have the overall dimensions. And you basically just do this this dimensioning around the entire building. So the first layer is just the trench width and the width between the width of the rooms. Trench width of the rooms. Similar to the second layer when you're doing a floor plan. Second layer, you do the wall thickness and the room sizes. For this, you do the trench width and the room sizes. The overall dimensions. Oh, miss out a piece here. So that come. And this will come all the way out here. So. Yeah, so technically like that. And let's put the title, foundation plan. The title. Foundation plan. Foundation plan. Change the scale to 1. Scale is 1 in 50. Right, and I use that. Right, I know you save a join as your name, first and last name, full name, and 20%. Okay. And as you can see, that never take me a lot of time. Let me start minutes to 11, about 70 minutes after 11 now. So by right, if you know what you do, you can do it in a half an hour. Half an hour. All right, so any questions, just shoot them to me before the test, and me assist you as best as possible.